Variables in Python. A variable is the name of the memory location that is used to store data values that can be accessed or changed later. The names given to the variables are known as identifiers. In Python, we do not need to specify the type of variable because Python is a dynamic language and it also identifies the variable type automatically. Declaring and initializing a variable. In Python, variables are declared and initialized at the same time in the following way. On the output screen, a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20 will be printed.
You can also assign the same value to multiple variables at the same time in the following way.
A is equal to b is equal to 20. Print, double quotes, a is equal to a, print, double quotes, b is equal to b. On the output screen, a is equal to 20 and b is equal to 20 will be printed. You can also assign multiple values to multiple variables in the same line in the following way. Name, age, class is equal to, double quotes, Anaya, 12, 7th. Print, double quotes, name is, name, print, double quotes, age is, age, print, double quotes, grade is, class. On the output screen, name is Anaya, age is 12, and grade is 7th will be printed in 3 lines. You must follow the given rules while creating and naming the variables. A variable must start with a letter or underscore character. A variable name cannot start with a number. A variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters, all the letters of the alphabet and numbers, and underscores. Variable names are case sensitive. Variable names cannot contain any special character or symbol.